Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you are all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful keychain. So let's get started. You need to make some half hitches. Pick this left cord and make half hitches. We need to make 3 more half hitches like this. So after making these 4 lines of half hitches, we will pick these 2 central cords and we will add a bead here. After adding this bead, pick these 2 cords coming from the bead and make half hitches again, like this. So now we have 4 cords here and 4 here after the first row of half hitches. Now take this like this and start making half hitches again. Now in the opposite direction of what we are doing before. So here you can see we made 4 half hitches, then a bead, and then we made half hitches but did not attach these 2 portions. These are totally separate from each other. Now you will pick these 2 and you will add a bead. Again make half hitches like this. After completing these 4 half hitches, and these are also done separately, now you will make simple square knot to finish this off. We don't need to tie this first square knot, leave it like loose so it does not disturb the pattern. And then after this you can tighten up the square knot as much as possible, like this, and then just trim the tail So we just completed our project today. I hope you love these beautiful keychains. Till the next tutorial, please take care of yourself and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.